this step you have to do at the beginning of all your chapters. All your chapters. I'm repeating again, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do this same step for all your chapters. What you have to do, just write chapter 1. Before clicking enter, look for the style, red color style, this one heading one, and click. When I click, it is turned like this, chapter 1. After clicking and making it red color or hidden, then I just press enter. When I press enter, I get something like this in the middle of my page, chapter 1 or Bab Satu. Now, all of you try this and you must get the same thing as I'm seeing at my screen. It should be the same in BM thesis as well. Idris, you just have to write Bab Satu and enter, then you will see Bab Satu will appear down there. Okay, great. That's nice. Okay, Mujahid, good. Okay, Mailani, good. Okay, that's good. Okay, if you remember, I told you that UKM want your thesis first page of every chapter to have space 50 or 5 cm. This command has basically created that extra gap. You see here? Remember, when we fix the page setting, we choose 30 or 3 cm. So from where the extra 2 cm came? It came from this command. And also this command is telling Microsoft Word that a new chapter is starting. And if you notice on left hand side in your navigation pane, something is written chapter 1 or Bab Satu automatically. We didn't write here anything. It has appeared automatically. So whatever heading will appear in navigation pane, only that will go in your table of content. If any of the heading you are not able to see in your headings list in the navigation pane, meaning that somewhere you have done a mistake, you didn't follow proper step, and it will never ever appear in your table of contents. So whatever we are doing here, actually side by side, we are preparing our table of content. And at the end of this thesis, your table of content will be already ready without doing anything. Okay, so I assume here all of you have already understood this part, that you can see chapter 1 has appeared in black color with the space about 1/3 space in the page. Now, first step was this. Second one, you press enter, you got chapter 1. Now, you have one key in your keyboard which called shift key. There are two shift keys in every keyboard. One is just below the enter key, and another one is on the left hand side under the caps lock button. So you have to hold shift key and press enter. Keep holding, and then press enter 3 times. Now I'm going to do, you see what will happen. I'm holding the shift key, keep holding, and pressing enter 1, 2, 3. So when I press 3 times shift plus enter, it will appear something like this. Now you try. Make sure you hold the shift key. If you just press enter, you will see something like this. Okay, if I just press enter, it will appear 1.1. We don't want that, because you still have to give the name to your this chapter. So automatic command setting in this template is when you press enter, it will bring you to heading number 1.1, which we do not want at this moment. So what we want at chapter 1, we want to give the label of this chapter. So you have to hold the shift key for some time and then press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After pressing 3 times, now you have to write the title of this chapter. So in my case, my chapter title is Introduction, and probably the same for you also, because this is our first chapter, or the equivalent word in BM thesis. So once you write chapter 1, now you can press enter key. Now when I press enter key, I got 1.1 heading already written there without I click on the heading numbers and the tab or the spacing. Now, if you notice one thing, there are some spaces between chapter 1 to introduction and from introduction to 1.1. All these settings are the same what UKM actually wanted from you to have in your thesis. Let me show you here. If you remember this page, yes, see in this page. So the same spaces are automatically created. You don't have to press 2 times and look for 1.5 spacing or single spacing or double spacing. No, you don't. You just have to do follow how many times you have to press enter in the same way as I have mentioned to you. Now, anyone who is not clear until this point, this same step you are going to repeat in every single chapter's beginning.